Half of the New Forest is actually made up of woodland. 2,700 different types of mushrooms. They've got all these different species of wildlife. They have deer, they have newts, they've got bats, and they've got 3 native British snakes.
Squirrels
Eat baby snakes.
Eat baby snakes. Like these little horns, don't they? On their ears.
I've never seen a
Just look how it's
squirrel.
Yeah, I'm not so sure.
Oh, they're not here. And then like
What does
the
that
breed is indigenous to the New Forest in Hampshire.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it means they're born here. Oh,
wow.
yeah.